Who recorded his scientific theory in his book Principia? The answer is Newton. Principia, the book about physics by Isaac Newton, the fundamental work for the whole of modern science, published in 1687. Who invented the rocket, a railway engine driven by steam power? The answer is Sir George Stephenson. Rocket, pioneer railway locomotive built by the English engineers George and Robert Stephenson. How many elements are in the periodic table? The answer is 118. The definitive visualization of all 118 elements is the periodic table of the elements, whose history along the principles of the periodic law was one of the founding developments of modern chemistry. Queen guitarist Brian May is also an expert in which scientific field? The answer is astrophysics. Brian May is the co-founder of the band Queen and an astrophysicist. He talks to National Geographic about consulting on NASA missions and blending art with science. Aureolin is a shade of which color? The answer is yellow. Cobalt yellow, commonly called aureolin, is a potassium or sodium substituted potassium cobalt nitrite. How many bones do we have in an ear? The answer is 3. Each human ear has 3 bones known as ossicles, the malleus, incus, and stapes, also known by their shape as the hammer, anvil, and stirrup, respectively. Compared to their body weight, which animal is the strongest? The answer is dung beetle. If we consider raw strength, elephant is the strongest. However, in terms of body weight to strength ratio, dung beetle is the strongest, being able to lift nearly 1,141 times its own body weight. Which is the only body part that is fully grown from birth? The answer is eyes. The eyeball is the only organism which does not grow from birth. It is fully grown when you are born. Acrophobia is a fear of what? The answer is heights. Acrophobia is a mental health condition in which the individual experiences an intense fear of heights. Where is the strongest human muscle located? The answer is jaw. If you define strength to mean the ability to exert the most pressure, then the strongest muscle in the human body is the masseter muscle. Of course, you probably call the masseter your jaw muscle.